Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be done with the project of the course in data camp of big data with PaySpark. This project is gonna be for companies for selling and and getting products. As you can see in here, our project is gonna be aiming to help these companies with preparing the products for the end of the year, and also it's gonna be give them the prepositions for gaining more products or selling more products. Also, it's gonna be describing their data of the products that the sales, and also the data of the products, and also their characteristics. And it also, the main aim for this, it's going to be giving them propositions for a 1 year sales. This is the main thing. Let's see how the code works. As we can see in here, in every code we have its own library. Like in every program we need to get libraries, and every language have its own libraries. Like in here in SQL, it has his own libraries. And this is the first section of the code, and on the second section is we're gonna be creating a Spark, and also we're gonna be uploading our data of the cells, and also we're gonna be in here arranging the dates and changing it into columns, and also we're gonna be collecting the data according to the commas of the days. Like every day has its own data, we're going to be collecting them according to this thing. And also we're going to be renaming our column that we collected the data in, like the daily sales. We're going to be rename it. And in the third section, on our third section of the code, we're going to be dividing the data according to their dates. Also, we're gonna be creating groups and column, like a groups, which is groups of data, which we call it training data. And also we're gonna be changing the data frame into data training. Like it's gonna be like a data training. Also, we're gonna be creating or generating an indexer. Also, we're gonna be in this part of the code, we will be choosing the features and the columns which have the same characteristics, and we're gonna be collecting them in here. And in the fifth part of the code in here, we're gonna be initializing the random forest, and also we're going to be creating a line to prepare the data and make some mix and also train the samples. And in this part of the code, like in this line exactly, we're going to be training the symbols. And the sixth part of the code, in the sixth section, we're going to be creating prepositions. We're going to be creating a prepositions in the the test predictions. And also we're going to be rating our MAE. Like we're going to be rating our tool of MAE, and also we're going to be calculating the MAE, our MAE, how it's gonna be like, how it's gonna equal in total. And in our seventh steps we will be collecting all the propositions and also the productions, the test productions of the weekly test productions, and and we also going to get out our data of the week, and also and we're gonna also store it in equality solid w39. This is the last main part, and also in our eighth section, I guess it's gonna be like if we make it seven, but I said to myself make it eight. It's gonna be better. In our eighth part, like we are gonna be stopping the we're gonna be stopping the spark. Like, and after we stop it, we gonna be gaining all we're gonna be gaining all the propositions that we need, like for our sales and products. And this is how like the product program is gonna be working, and the company will be you like using this program a lot, like because it's so useful. Like it has all the features that we are going to need. I hope my explanations it's so clear, and I hope it's so good. And thank you.